Pooja. So today we will do glam makeup. So I start from skincare versus skin type combination. Okay. So we will start from cleansing. So first I'll use wet tissue to clean your face. What face wash you are using right now? Plum. Okay, that is good. So first we will clean your face. Then the next step is toner. So I'll show you how to use toner. So before you makeup and skincare, you sure ki you clean your face with any face wash or any cleanser or any wet tissue. Okay. Okay. So we will use toner. So you have to just take one cotton pad and hold on to this. Then you have to just dab it onto your skin. So this will help for you minimize your open pore. So this is the first step of your skincare. After toner, we will use serum. The serum will help to penetrate into your skin, and it's vitamin C. As you told me, you have a combination skin, so it's very water based. So this will help for brightening your skin also because it has vitamin C, and this is for combination and all skin type also. So next, after serum, we will use moisturizer. So this is pore minimizing moisturizer from Innisfree. It's mattifying if you have little bit oil on your face. So this will help for mattifying the pore also. So it's very lightweight, non-sticky, non-greasy moisturizer. This you can use on daily basis. You can feel it's very lightweight. Yes. After moisturizer, because we are using your makeup in day, so we will use sunscreen SPF 50. So this will protect from sunburn. When you go out, so you have to use sunscreen. Are you using any sunscreen currently? No. So you start sunscreen because it's help from sunburn. And it's very compulsory, like on daily basis if you are going out. So you can use any sunscreen from any brand like SPF 50 for combination skin, any mattifying sunscreen. So right now I am using Plum sunscreen. It's very lightweight and gel based. After your skincare, so we will start from primer. Primer क्या करते हैं? So this will help for like create a layer between your skincare and makeup. So when you do makeup, तो अगर आपकी एक लेयर हो जाती है तो आपका मेकअप वेरी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग हो जाएगा एंड वो ज्यादा टाइम स्टे करेगा, ऑक्सीडाइज नहीं होगा. इससे लाइक हम कभी भी स्किन केयर एंड मेकअप के बीच में विदाउट प्राइमर अगर हम यूज करेंगे तो इट विल टर्न इनटू ग्रे मेकअप. आप कभी भी किसी को देखोगे काफी टाइम के बाद मेकअप उनका ब्लैक हो जाता है, ग्रे हो जाता है. तो वी विल यूज दिस एंड दिस इज वेरी गुड फॉर लाइक कैनवास लुक. अगर आप फोटोज एंड ऑल क्लिक करते हो तो उसके लिए इट्स वेरी कंपल्सरी. So before makeup we have to use primer and it's mattifying primer. So silicone base ये आपके पोर को नहीं ब्लर कर देगा and जो भी आपका फाउंडेशन है वो इवनली लगेगा आपके फेस पे. For primer we will start from concealer where you have dark circle, dark spots and dark patches. So we will correct that from first. Then next we will do eye makeup because your makeup is glam look. So first we will do eye makeup. Later we can do your whole face. So we will use each kind of color. So it's like doing a color corrector with concealer. So this will correct your uneven skin tone where you have dark circle and uneven skin tone. So on top of this, your foundation will look very settled. So after concealer, we will use little bit powder on your eyelid. Close your eyes for setting your eyes. So because we are going to do your eye makeup. So for eyes, you can use very fluffy brush like this, and you have to use very little bit pressure. Not use too much quantity. So just dab it. Fill your hand, and then you start your eye makeup. So for glam look or any look, you can use any lighter shade from transition color. So you have to take very little amount and just dab it and start blending here only on top of your eyelid. So we will use very light color for transition because we are going to use very bold lipstick. So eye makeup will do very light. So we will use very little shimmer on eyelid. So don't use shimmer on both eyes. We will use only inner corner. So next we will use liquid eyeliner. So I'll do very thin eyeliner because we will do bold kajal. So liner always start from outer corner and end in inner corner. So now we will use kajal. Kajal always start on your outer corner, then come into inner corner, and it's waterproof and smudge proof. So next we will use mascara. It's waterproof and smudge proof. Mascara never do like this because उसमें हवा घुस जाती है तो mascara सूख जाता है. So always आप one time ही निकालिए and then use zigzag. So इससे आपको वॉल्यूम भी मिलेगा and वॉल्यूम भी हेल्प करेगा. Down, up, straight. So next we will enhance your eyebrow. So whenever you start from eyebrow, just comb first. Comb your eyebrow. Then we will use powder one. Start from cream, from inner corner to outer corner. Very light and very natural color. So after eyebrow, we will use foundation. This is your skin type foundation. It's matte finish because we have combination. So we will use matte foundation. So we use very little amount of foundation because less is more in makeup and cosmetic. Always use very less quantity of your any makeup, any product if you are using, you use very less. And don't like do this. Just do that. So it's very lightweight foundation. It doesn't feel very heavy and cakey. And it will last for like 30 days. Are you enjoying your makeup? Yes. So now we will lock your makeup with loose powder. Loose powder will help for setting your makeup and for long lasting your makeup. And always use onto your neck also because your neck always be open. So always use makeup on neck and ear. So after loose powder, we will contour your face. So we will use very medium shade for contour. So contour you have to use from here, from your ear. Start from here. So contour will help for like sharpness. It will add a sharpness into your skin. So just blend upside, don't go downside. So now we will use glitter highlighter shimmer because you want glam look. So we will do shimmer, just smile. So blush you have to start from here and don't do very hard pressure, just use very light pressure. Just blend like this and use very little blush because it has shimmer. So look very nice for your party look, for your glam look. On in this you will get highlighter also. So highlighter we will use on this part and like this part. Now we will fill your lip with lip liner. First lip liner will help to lock your lipstick. It will help for long lasting lipstick. And lip liner is very good for planning. Just open your mouth. Lip liner is helpful for lining your lip. Then you can fill any choice of lipstick, which one you want. So we will use pinkish because we will do pink eyeliner. So I use very light color. So, do you like lip shade?
Yes.
It's very nice. So, last and next step is makeup fixer. This is the one of best makeup fixer and best ever. Like, this is the last and important thing into your makeup. Never forget to use any makeup fixer. Just close your eyes and always use makeup fixer from this distance. Use 3 spray only. So this will help for like long lasting in your makeup. So when you go out for party, from any wedding, so you can use any makeup fixer. So this will help for like long lasting in makeup up to 6 to 7 hours. So you like makeup?
Definitely.
This is makeup. So this is overall look.
Wow.
So nice. How's this?
Very nice.
It's totally glam makeup. You can see it's totally highlighting your face and your eyes. As you told me, you want pink look because your outfit will be pink. So I do this makeup. You like it? Thank you.
Thank you so much.